Have you been searching numerous sites looking for homes for sale here in Southwest Florida? It can get pretty overwhelming. There's numerous sites, including big and small. That's what we're gonna be talking about today. Today, I wanna speak about what is the best way to search for homes. The best way to search for a home is to hire a real estate agent. Hiring a real estate agent gives you full access to the MLS system. What's the MLS? It's a multiple listing service. All of us agents use that to input our listings in order to communicate with agents as well as to do marketing. Multiple listing service gives the most accurate, up-to-date information possible. When you go on all these other websites, it may take up to 2 days in order to see any changes that are reflected from the MLS system. The MLS system is going to give you direct information and it's going to be updated instantaneously. A lot of times I'll get a call from a customer and they're searching around and they're calling me about 123 Main Street. And I go and I look and 123 Main Street's been pending since yesterday already and they happen to just have found it today. The only thing that's not included in the MLS system is for sale by owners. So for sale by owners actually only account for about 11% of actual sales that happen. It used to be 8% prior to the pandemic, but due to the low inventory, we have now seen where for sale by owners are more of a common thing. So as an agent, generally what I like to do is I like to go on and put alerts on a lot of these other websites that will alert me when there is a for sale by owner that happens to meet my customers' criteria. One thing I do want to mention about searching on all of these websites is they don't allow you to really narrow into specifics. So when we're in the MLS system, we actually put in what type of roof that it's covered, what type of flooring we're putting in, what's the homeowner association fees, if any, is there a membership fee, what type of amenities are included. If you happen to be looking for a golf community, well, you don't want to be seeing homes that are a condo or, maybe not inside of a golf community. You don't want to be seeing homes that are not in a golf community. So we can actually narrow down really into specifics for you in order to give you the best result. Hey there, my name is Kayla Hunter and I'm a real estate agent here in Southwest Florida. If you happen to be searching for a home for sale and you would like an updated list, you can reach me at 239-850-7719. And if you happen to be looking for some quick tips or information on the general market, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you can stay informed on any of the information that I happen to give out. Thank you so much and I hope you have a wonderful day.